Hello guys, Nanda here. Welcome to my channel. This is a brand new video about uh, a lot of foreign banknotes I purchased on eBay. Last week I have purchased some good lots of banknotes, world banknotes. Some of them are for my own collection, my modest world banknote collection, and as always the remaining banknotes will be resold on eBay also. If you are new here on this channel, I do videos about my coin and banknote collections, and also these exciting videos about when I unbox or open a package from eBay. So if you are curious about world banknotes, this is the right place to be. And of course, please subscribe if you like this kind of videos. Ask me whatever questions you might have. So let's begin and open this big envelope. I mostly buy from sellers from UK. They are the best. I have done 80-85% of my purchase from eBay, from UK sellers. This is a little bit nasty here. Wait a minute. Now it's good. This is a seller I have bought many times. Nothing else here. Let me see now. So, envelope inside the envelope. Let me do this right. I can do it with my only hand. Yes, now it's good. So, this is a very nice lot, because here you will see good banknotes. Some of them will be for my personal collection, and here we have the first one. If you have watched my previous videos, the Arab banknote collection, these banknotes are my favorites to collect. The Arab banknotes. They have superb, modest design. I just love them. On Real from Qatar, or Qatar, how you pronounce it. This is a beautiful banknote. This is going to my personal collection. I don't care if it's uncirculated or very circulated. I just collect them. 100 Cruzados from Brazil. These are old Brazilian currency from the 70s, 80s. Also, the South American banknotes are my second favorites. Beautiful. I think this is going to for it, because I have this banknote, and this is going to eBay. This is Algeria, if I'm not mistaken. This is the 10 dinars. Yes, dinars. Banque Centrale d'Algérie, French. Wait a minute, I don't have this banknote. This is an older Algerian banknote. I will do a little bit research for this banknote, because I thought I had this banknote, but now I think I don't have this banknote on my collection. Okay. Camera just stopped it, I don't know why, but let's continue. The most beautiful series from Czechia, or Czech Republic, 200 korun. I love this design. I think this is going back to eBay, because I have some other banknotes on my personal collection. The business want to go forward, so some are for resell. Laos, 5,000 kip. I think it's kip. It's a beautiful design also. Going to eBay. An old 100 rupiah from Indonesia. It's one of my favorite Indonesian banknotes, the design. I think this is going to my personal collection. What we have here, one of the most beautiful banknotes ever made. 25 gulden from Netherlands. It's a little bit circulated, but it's an extraordinary design from 1989. This is going to my personal collection. I have sold some of these the previous years, but now this is going to my collection. It's like an abstract modern painting. What do you expect from the Dutch people? They are masterclass designers. This is an old Tugru, 100 Tugru from Mongolia. I don't have this banknote, so it's going to my collection of Asiatic banknotes. 50 banknote, Tugru, from the same year, 1981. Another beautiful Bahraini Arab banknote. 1, 2. I have learned the Arabic numerals, so this is half dinar from Bahrain. Obviously, it will go to my personal collection. And what I liked the most on the banknotes is when they have the countries map on them, because I love geography, and it's very cool to see the map of the country on the banknotes. Few countries have this kind of design. Beautiful. This is 1 rupee. This is from the Second World War, when Japan had occupied most of the Asia Pacific countries, and all these countries have the same design. This is, if I'm not mistaken, Indonesia. This is for Indonesia. I collect these banknotes, but I don't think I don't know, maybe I resell them on eBay. Who knows? And now we have some basic world banknotes. I don't collect the Egyptian, only the old Egyptian banknotes collect. The newest one I don't collect them. Sorry, Egypt. 250 livres from Lebanon. So I'm going to eBay. We have here the Zimbabwean mind-blowing $5 billion from the hyperinflation years of the 2008. It's not a banknote to be proud of. Another hyperinflative series of banknotes from Yugoslavia, from the 90s, 80s, late 80s, mid 90s. Nigerian pound, old Nigerian banknote. Another Yugoslavian hyperinflative banknote, 100,000. And an old 1000 Deutschmark. I'm sorry, Reich banknote from 1910. So it is not a rare note. Old does not mean rare every time. So guys, this was my newest banknote purchased from eBay. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I said before, please let me know what you think about my videos. Ask me whatever questions. And please like the video, share it if you have friends who like banknotes, like you. And please check out my other videos. You have plenty of them in my channel. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.